Yep. So you just concentrate. Stay on the left. Good boy. Yep. But I'm a lot further out than you, so the car's got to go around me. So it's fine. You're doing well. Nice and steady. Good boy. There you go. So remember, at the bottom of the golf course, you stop at the house to see how you're doing, yeah? We've got a drive to go to the lake, haven't we? See? He went right over the other side of the road. On into gear 1, yeah? Good boy. Yeah, just stop by the stones there, sweetie chops. Well done. Okie dokie, just don't go over. Nice skid. Okay then. So, if you want, we'll go up here by the lights and we'll wait till it goes green, then we'll just go off that way. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
So the best thing about that is, it'll stop all the other traffic, so it'll only be us. So you go up to the lights then.
So when the traffic lights go, no traffic lights go.
There we go. It's going to go green now, so go. Good boy. Right, I'm following you now. Good boy. Right, on the left now, on the left. On the left. Good boy. Well done, you're doing brilliantly. That's good, sweetheart. Yeah, just don't go too close to the curb. There's a good boy. That's good, yeah. Yeah, you're doing brilliantly. This is the main road. Stay on the left. Good boy. Right, that taxi behind us is going to overtake now, so just carry on going straight. He's going to overtake me. Good boy. Dan just came. The road goes downhill then, so it's a lot easier. Okay, dude. Good boy. In a minute, once we get past this driveway on the left. How are we doing? We're doing good. I like this hill because you can just freewheel all the way down. Okay, well I'll stay further back from you then. Okay, remember to stay on the left as well. Good boy. Good work. Yeah, you can stop pedalling now. Concentrate. Nice work, bird. Down is the fun bit. Hey? Yeah, up is the annoying bit. But if you find it difficult, we can just walk the bikes back, it's not a problem. That's it, dude. Well done. Well done. Okay, well I'll stay further back, look. There you go. Well done. I know. They're doing really well, aren't they? Just like you are. Right, so just follow what those bikes have done, yeah? Go round the cars. There's a good boy. Nice work, dude. Really nice. Okay, we're going to get ready to set off now. You follow this lady. We go past the school and then turn left, yeah? Good boy. Just keep going now. Don't worry about the other cars. Okay. I think someone just did brilliantly.
How long?
High five. That was only about 10 minutes.
How